Hello there! Welcome to another episode called #GetTechie with Connie. This is Connie Zabala, your VA trainer, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So today, I'll be sharing another tool that can help you when it comes to your eyesight. So as a VA, and most probably all the online freelancers or those who have their businesses online, most of the time, we use our computer for hours, and if we're not careful enough, it causes our eyes to strain or even affect our vision. Here's a tool that you can use to remind you to rest your eyes from time to time. It's called Eyeleo. Eyeleo is an app that you can install on your computer, and it will remind you every 10 minutes, for example, to do something with your eyes. For example, close your eyes or look away from your computer or blink your eyes. It depends on the settings of the app. And then after 50 minutes, it encourages you to take a long break, like for example a 5-minute break, so that you can step away from your computer and rest your eyes. Taking care of your eyesight is very important. That's why I'm sharing you this tool that it might help you. And if you want to learn more about how to build your virtual assistant business, just sign up to my free masterclass. Go to vamasterclass.conniezabala.com and I'll send you access via email. Oh, and if you find this video helpful, please do go ahead, share, comment, or like. Thank you for watching.